Hi.
Hello.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know either.
Yeah, like your screen froze and then my computer kicked me out.
It's what I realized. And I keep checking and nothing.
Yeah, it was weird. Okay.
Yes.
Um,
Do you want to share your screen?
sure. And then I'm going to invite John and Daniel. Just did they reply? Did they reply at all?
I think my phone my phone is off because it's discharged. But I think first Daniel sent an email, a text to say he will not make it. He cannot make it tonight.
Okay. And it looks like yeah, it looks like oh gosh, what's his name? The other guy, not
John,
Daniel. Sorry, what's that?
I didn't. That's okay.
Um, yeah, it looks like John just called.
Okay. Okay. So it's maybe he's trying to. I'm sorry. To join the conversation.
Yeah, it looks like he is.
So what did you already started
Did I start what?
the quiz?
Oh yeah, I already submitted the first time.
Okay. The thing is, I understand, but I think I got a little confusion. Is the reason I didn't find the right answer for one or two questions. And the thing is, find the right answer for one quiz or for one question. So the next questions you might not find it either because
Yeah.
sometimes they are yes, it's just something. Studied for what is my quiz for the question one is true. Question two, the three said use the following information for the next two questions: set of pair data and length. So that is the value of the test statistic. Answer is two because you use the formula d minus like x divided by SD square root n. So the answer is 2.
You got two for question three.
Yes.
Did you get that one right?
Yes. Let me
Oh.
let me begin. Right.
Hold on a second. John's calling again.
Okay. Did you accept him? It's like I cannot. I don't see nothing to accept him. I don't know why.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to add him on to the one that we're on right now because he always calls in on a different one, and then it's like we've got him on one screen on my computer,
Yeah. Yes.
and then
It
like
seems yeah.
yeah, it's really turns into kind of a hassle. added him like 5 times tonight.
Okay. So okay, so Didi is, let me see if he's, no, he's not in there. Do you think we should you need to turn it off and then turn it on again?
I don't know. I'm asking him right now if he's getting my invitations.
Chloe, why can't you? Oh, my back. Ooh, my back hurt me. I think the one is open is the one loaded.
What's that?
The one you uh, like the conversation you have and John, it's like Daniel is included in that. Or how can I explain that? It's like the three or the four of us. I don't know how can I explain that.
Huh. Well, see, that's the one that he sent to me. So, like, when he called me, that's what came up.
Okay.
Oh. We'll see if this works. There he is. I just sent him another invitation. Hi, John. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm okay. And you?
Good. So we're just getting started on the quiz. Um, have you taken the quiz yet?
Not really.
What's that?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Well, okay, so Saskia and I have both taken it, and we're going to go over our answers. So I guess probably the best thing would just be to, I don't know, watch and see how we got our answers. Does that sound okay?
Okay.
Okay, cool. So Saskia, do you want to continue with what we're doing?
Yes, okay.
Um,
Yeah.
yes.
For the
For
question
three,
the
the answer is two.
The formula I use,
Well,
there's
there's
a
a
formula
formula
I give for the
for the
test
statistic.
is D minus
Like
X
X
divided
divided
by
by
the deviation
deviation, SD
divided by
divided by
square
square
root n.
root n.
Okay, cool. So just the same one that we've been doing this whole time then.
Yes, but yeah, because of
They
distance,
give you
because they give you more
more information
more
for
information
that.
for that.
I think it's a two pair
Detail, data,
that
something like that. I cannot remember the
I
name.
remember.
I can't understand you. There's a lot of echoing going on your side, I think.
Okay.
So the
So that's okay for the question.
three,
I still can't understand you very well.
I said
I said if you find the answer
for
for
the
the question,
question.
Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
I can't really hear what's going on your side. Like I can hear you talking, but it's really sporadic and it's really echoey.
Okay. Now for the question 4.
Oh, that's better.
Do you
Okay,
hear me?
cool.
Okay. The probability of obtaining the test statistic greater than Jordan test statistic 0.0403. Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan hypothesis test. I didn't find that. Okay. How can I explain that? I find an answer, but I think the way I rounded it gives me maybe the answer wrong. Did you find the equation 4?
I got question 4 wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, my answer was 2.597.
So what did you do? For me, it was 0.069. So I put 0.070. So I don't know why I don't know what I did wrong.
Well, I was trying to hurry and do this before my other meeting, so I just plugged it into the probability applet and tried to find the answer that way, but I don't think that it works that way.
Did you use the student applet?
Yeah, I tried to put it into the applet, but I don't think that's...
Because I did as well. Let me see. They say greater than 0.004. I don't know. 0. Oh, 0.0. Good. So it might be 0.485 because the 0.0403 we put it in a student probability. So I put it in T case, the positive T, and then the area give me and it's a greater. So I write, and now it gives me 0.485. I don't know if it's correct or not.
Yeah, I don't know either. Yeah, I'm just going to look it up tomorrow when I take this again.
0.485. 485, I think. I don't know. So I put it. And now for the question 5, let's say use the data to answer the next question. Okay. So hypothesis equals 0, and the alternative is not equal to 0. So the level of significance is 0.10. For the question 5, they say, what is the test statistic? So I use the file, the Excel file, and I go to the pair sample t-test. Did you see that?
Uh-huh.
Did you go to that?
So yeah, I did the two-tailed t-test or whatever it is.
Yeah, pair sample t-test.
Yeah, paired sample t-test.
So, okay. So for that, what is the t-test? The t-test is 0.407.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Okay. For the question 6, what is the p-value? It's 0.689.
That's what I got too.
Okay. So what is the correct decision based on this evidence? It's failed to reject.
Yep.
Because the p-value is greater than the test evidence. The level of significance.
Yeah, the p is small.
Yeah. Question 8. Suppose your alternative hypothesis is instead greater than 0. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? I didn't find that question. I have it wrong.
Okay, I have it right.
What did you say?
I have it right.
So the first one I choose it? We have sufficient evidence that the mean of the difference is greater than 0.
So the correct answer is B. We have insufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is greater than 0.
So how can you explain that?
Oh,
okay. So we say we have insufficient evidence.
It's hard to remember what my data was because I had to go in and change it afterwards to do the rest of the questions.
That's why. That's why.
Yeah, I've got to say I really hate this technology, like the Excel stuff. Like, oh, I hate the Excel stuff. I wish it. I wish it was just calculators and paper.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not.
Yeah, the Excel just throws kinks in it.
Okay.
But
so let's go for use the data. Question 9. Use the data file, chapter 12, blah blah blah. Okay. So they said, which is greater, N or DF? So I choose N.
Yeah, because
in
DF
the file is 22 and DF is 21.
Yep, exactly. Degrees of freedom is N minus 1.
Yeah. So question 10. What is the p-value? For me, it's 0.001.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay. And what decision do you make? Reject the null hypothesis.
Yep, because the 0.001 is smaller
than
0.05.
The level significance. So question 12. We decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time we use alternative greater than 0. So did the p-value increase or decrease? It decreased.
So I put decrease as well.
What do you say?
I said decrease.
Yes, it decreased.
Hmm.
You didn't find it?
What's that?
You didn't find that question?
No, I said that I got that it decreased.
Okay, fine. It decreased. Okay. 13. What decision do you make? Is to reject the null hypothesis. So it's still the p-value still less than the level of significance. So we reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So now you go for question 14. Based on your response from the previous question, what conclusion do you make?
So I got this one wrong.
I choose. Yes, I got it. I think it is. We have sufficient evidence that there is a mean in the two groups.
Okay. Cool. I chose the one right above that, but okay, cool. So it's the third one.
Because I base my when I look at the file and I see all the mean are different. You see when they put the two table like variable 1, variable 2, and the differences, but it's my thought. So all that answer they are different. So I base my answer based on that. So I don't know if it's right or not, but I get it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, that's what I was thinking as well. I was just for some reason I decided to do the other one.
Okay. So now question 15. As we have seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? So my first, I didn't find it. I don't know why, but I didn't find it. So my first answer was UD greater than 0. But I didn't have it. I didn't get it.
Okay, so the right answer is that there's not enough information. It depends on the problem.
Oh, not enough. It depends on the problem. Okay.
Yeah, it just depends on the data that you're given and how the data are.
Okay, that for me, I think that question was about the like can they give us. So it's what I did. I just try to make the difference. Like use the option like what's it like the type of test greater than, less than, or equal, not equal. Okay. So question 16. Determine the 95% confidence interval between the two groups and put your answers below. What is the point estimate for this 95 confidence interval?
So I got this one wrong, so I'm not sure what it is.
What the answer you got?
I got 11.995.
Let me go to my 11,955.
Yeah,
After it is the mean.
I just saw that. Yeah.
No, what I think it is. I look back to the lesson 10 to find this, but I think I got a little confusion. I don't know. I think the lesson 10 or 11, they ask you when they do that, it's like you you should give the, I don't know if it's the negative and the positive answer at the same time. But what I didn't find that question either. I don't know.
Hmm.
Let me go to the, let's see.
Oh, you know what? Um, I don't know if this is right or not, but I put 11.995, and the mean is actually 11.955. And what I just looked up on Google, I looked up the definition of a point estimate,
Okay.
and it said that a sample mean is a point estimate of the population mean. And so our mean of this data that we put in to the Excel spreadsheet, the sample mean would be 11.955. So I think that maybe the answer is 11.955, and I got it wrong because I put 11.995.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know if it's right or not, but
So
I
you
think
didn't.
that might be why.
I think. You
Yeah, I think
remind
I
me
might have
something
entered it
because I.
wrong.
So it might be 11,955.
Yeah, 955.
11.9. Let's cross the fingers. So, question 17. What is the margin of error for this 95?
So I got that one right. What did you get?
I get it wrong. I get first 11,950. Oh, 11.953.
Okay, so the correct answer is 6.652. And the way that I got
6
that,
point.
6.652.
Okay.
And the way that
How do you find?
yeah, so the way that I got that is in the Excel spreadsheet, when you look and you see the confidence interval, and it says that the lower limit is 5.303 and the upper limit is 18.607, I subtracted 5.303 from 18.607,
Excuse
and
me.
then I did.
This is doing my homework. Okay. Go to bed. I already do your ticket. Yes. Yes. Go to
I
bed.
know, but you have to cut it.
I'm busy, Kiki. I'm sorry. She just
No
wake up
worries.
and ask me to do something for school.
No worries.
Okay.
I
So
can
can you repeat the question for me, please?
Yeah, for sure.
Your experience, please.
So on the Excel spreadsheet,
Mm-hmm.
where it has the confidence interval, and it says that the lower end is 5.303 and
Yes.
the upper end is 18.607.
Okay.
So I know that the number that we're looking for is right in the middle between those two numbers. So I subtracted 5.303 from 18.607, and then I divided that number by 2 and added that to 5.303.
Okay, let me do it to be sure. 13.6 set minus 5.303. So it's 13 divided by 2.
Uh-huh. And you should get 6.652.
Oh, okay.
Did that
You
work?
know what I use? I think I use the formula of the, let me tell you the name. What we did last week. That
Oh,
from
okay.
Maybe I didn't find it. The one simple t-test. I think that I'd use that something for that kind of formula.
Okay. Yeah, I just divided the difference between the two boundaries of the confidence interval.
So for the question 18, it's 5.303.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. 19, 18.607.
That's what I got too.
Okay, so let me see
Cool.
if I save. Let me see, I didn't save. What I didn't save? What's my question? Oh, whoa. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now. Okay, so let me submit. I only missed one. What is that?
Oh, nice.
Oh, the question for
Question 4.
yes.
Hmm. Let me
Did you
check it
find
out
it?
real quick.
Did you get it?
Just a minute. I'm about to get there.
I don't. I got it wrong.
Question 4.
The probability of obtaining the test statistic greater than Jordan test statistic.
Yeah, I think. Maybe we have to do the equation for how to find the p-value, and then do some algebra to figure out.
Did you find it?
I'm working on it right now.
Okay. Okay, so I already submitted, so it was my second attempt.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. So I think if you have the possibility to um, to post the link, because what I said they require to post the link on Tuesday, so we can
Yeah,
just give the attendance of the 3 hours.
yeah, I can post the link for sure.
Thank you so much for your time.
Oh, no problem. Thanks for, I guess my text didn't send this afternoon, so thanks for giving us a call and setting this up. I appreciate it.
Okay, so see you maybe tomorrow or Thursday.
Cool, sounds good. John, do you have any questions?
Yes, we'll be good. Bye bye.
Not really, not really, so I think maybe next time, y'all about to go to work. So,
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I
Mom,
say, not really, maybe next time, but I'm about to go to work now.
Oh, okay. All right, sounds good. Have a good
Okay.
time at work.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right. Thank you, Saskia. Bye.
Comment ça, tu fais